Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a critical yet often overlooked component of your car's cooling system, the coolant reservoir. What does it do? Why is it so important? And how can you check it? Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll have all the answers. The coolant reservoir or overflow tank offers a temporary refuge for the coolant when it expands as a result of engine heat. When the engine cools, and the heat is dispelled from the coolant, it slips out of the plastic reservoir tank and into the radiator. The coolant reservoir or overflow tank is a translucent plastic tank mounted on the engine bay. Here are some obvious signs of a faulty or damaged coolant overflow tank. Coolant level constantly running low. A sweet smell like maple syrup coming from the front of your vehicle or throughout the cabin, and failure to store the excess coolant or combat the increased pressure, resulting in the engine overheating. It is still okay to drive if you find this symptom in your car, but you should check up on this matter in the next service. So, how does it all work? As the engine heats up, the coolant expands and flows into the reservoir. When the engine cools down, the system creates a vacuum, pulling the coolant back into the radiator. This cycle keeps the engine at an optimal temperature. To check your coolant reservoir, simply pop the hood and look at the level. If it's low, top it up with the right coolant. And if you notice the level dropping frequently, you might have a leak or other issues that need attention. Regular maintenance of your coolant reservoir is a small task that can save you from big problems down the road. So take a few minutes to check it every few months or before a long trip. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more car care tips and tricks. Drop your questions or experiences with coolant systems in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.